Hi, welcome to Shibaura Machine's e-learning 108 tips for successful injection molding. This is C. Somaskandan, Head Application Engineering, Shibaura Machines India Private Limited. Let's learn how to avoid bubble in injection molded plastic parts. What is bubble? Bubble is a small hollow packet, maybe filled with air or gas in a molded part. It comes anywhere on a part, maybe on a surface or on a thinner section or at the edges of the molded part. Factors causing bubble in a molded part can be by a machine or by a mold or by the process setting or by the polymer. Let's learn how to differentiate and how to avoid these bubbles. Incorrect process parameter in injection molding machine leads for bubbles in molded part. Let's learn the parameter which contributes for the bubble in polymers. Higher melt temperature of a polymer leads for bubbles in the molded part. Every polymer has got a melt temperature recommendation by the raw material manufacturer. Let's go through the details of raw material manufacturer. Set the plasticizing unit temperature setting to get the right melt temperature. When the screw speed is set high, the shear heat generates more. This leads for higher melt temperature. Also, this can cause bubbles in molded part. Set the screw speed as per the recommendations of polymer manufacturer, considering the peripheral velocity limitations. Back pressure plays a crucial role in controlling the melt characteristics. If the back pressure is too low, the bubble can easily form. Similarly, when the back pressure is too high, it also leads for thermal degradation and bubble formation. Residence time of polymer inside the plasticizing unit plays a crucial role. If the residence time is long, the bubble gets easily formed due to thermal degradation of polymer. The general recommendation for utilization of a plasticizing unit is based on the polymers which are molded on the machine. If it is a commodity plastics, it can be between 20 to 80%. If it is an engineering part, it can be between 30 to 60%. If it is a thermally sensitive material, it should be as narrow as possible, between 30 to 50%. This avoids thermal degradation of polymer, which causes bubbles in molded part. During plasticizing, we set screw back. Longer the screw back makes bubble in molded part. Plasticizing screw has a non-return valve. In case if there is a leakage across a non-return valve, the melt flows back during injection, leads for shear heat, which also can cause bubble in molded part. Before taking molded part from a mold, ensure the non-return valve in plasticizing screw is in perfect condition, which avoids backflow. While selecting injection unit of injection molding machine, due consideration has to be given so that the right residence time is maintained, which also makes right melt temperature. By controlling the screw speed and back pressure, you can avoid bubbles in molded part.